How to hard reset Nubia Z70 Ultra.
Step 1. First of all, disable the Nubia Z70 Ultra by holding the power button.
Step 2. After that, simultaneously hold down the power key and the volume up button. Release both once the Nubia logo appears.
Step 3. In recovery mode, navigate using the volume buttons to highlight the wipe data option, then select it with the power button.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset.
After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.